This drive is controlled by a 3-position switch which controls forward, off, and reverse. Let's see how to set that up. I'm using this switch, which comes with a pair of normally open contacts and a pair of normally closed contacts. The two normally open contacts are wired into digital inputs 1 and 2 like this. Now this is an illuminated switch, so let's have the digital relay output control the light. I'll reset the drive to factory default so we're starting from the exact same place. These are the motor parameters I entered for my motor. Yours will probably be different. And I also sped up the ramp values just to help expedite the video. That shouldn't be a problem here because I don't have any load on the motor. Well, great. Now we just need to assign the digital inputs. I'm going to use the free WPS software to set up the drive because it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. And I'm using this optional USB module to connect my PC to the drive. Do you need to use the optional USB module and the free WPS software to do this? No. You can do all of this from the front panel of the drive. I've already created a configuration and a resource for my drive. Check out the WPS Quick Start video to learn how to do that. And I'm already connected to the drive. Okay, now we just need to assign the digital inputs. So I'll bring up the parameter list and search for DI. And we see that DI1 is currently set to run stop. So let's change that to be our forward control. DI2 is set to its default, which is rotation. So let's change that to reverse control. I'll be running the drive in local mode, so let's search for local, and we see that local run stop defaults to HMI control. Let's change that so that local run stop is controlled by the digital inputs. That's it, we're done. If I switch the switch to forward, the motor spins in the forward direction. And if I switch to reverse, the motor's still going in the forward direction. What's wrong? Well, we missed one crucial step. When doing this, you need to remember to tell the local mode that it's okay to run in reverse. So if we search on local, there it is, parameter 223 defaults to forward only. Let's change that so that the digital inputs control forward and reverse when we're in local mode. Now if we switch to forward, the motor turns in the forward direction, and we switch to reverse, the motor turns in the reverse direction. Perfect. Finally, let's have the digital output control the light. If I search for DO, we see it defaults to no fault. So this light was telling us that there was no fault in the drive. Let's change that to run status. Now when we run forward or reverse, the indicator light lights up. Cool. Here's a summary of the parameters that we changed. Since we really only changed 4 things beyond the normal motor and drive control stuff, this could easily be done from the drive's HMI. Not bad at all. And if you want to do this in remote mode, well, just use these parameters instead. Of course, don't forget to tell the drive that you're in remote mode. Click here to learn more about the WEG CFW300 drive. Click here to learn about Automation Direct's free award-winning support options, and click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified when we publish new videos.